Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Bytes, where we solve practical JavaScript problems in bite-sized chunks. Ever seen those little copy buttons next to a discount code or email address? Let's build them from scratch in just a few lines of code, no libraries, just pure JavaScript. This is super helpful for things like copying email addresses, invite codes, API keys, even full text boxes from a page. Let's get started. So I'm here in Visual Studio Code and I'm going to create a new file. We're going to keep everything inside one file, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to keep things simple. Right? Since we are in Visual Studio Code, we just have to type HTML, select the second entry, and provide a title. Next, we create our HTML content. We'll use the Clipboard API, especially navigator.clipboard.writeText. It's available in all modern browsers. All right, this is the entire code. We click the button, it copies inputs value. Very simple, right? Let's try it out. Here we are. I'm going to copy this to clipboard. We get the alert. If I paste it, it's pasted here. Awesome, right? You can get it working in just under 2 minutes. So what if you want to copy plain text that's not inside an input, like a paragraph or code block? Same idea. Let's go back to code editor. Right, we are done. Let's try it out. Let's refresh to bring it back. Copy text. And if I paste it, you see, we were able to copy the paragraph text just like that. A word regarding backward compatibility. If you need to support older browsers, you could use document.exec command copy, but honestly, in 2025, Clipboard API is widely supported and you probably don't need to do that. So that's it. Now you can build your own copy to clipboard buttons anywhere on your site. Think promo codes, contact cards, or even clipboard-based workflows. That's it for today's video. Check out our JavaScript Bytes playlist for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.